In this video, I am going to talk about 17 different reasons why your website is scaring your hard-earned customers away. So hello, I am Pankaj from Kreativo Pro. We help WordPress website owners in utilizing their website to its fullest potential and grow their business. Now, according to the consumer research done by Zyro, 75% of customers say that they create an image of a company and its credibility based on only their website. So websites are very important, and I have seen 13,000 websites so far personally, and then there are times when I see scary problems in websites that should not be there. Number one reason is old website. There are times when I see websites built in 2011-15, they look old and ancient, not at all professional. For example, let's take a look at this article. This article talks about 30 years of website design, how websites have evolved over years. So at first, websites used to look like this. Then they evolved to this. Then they evolved to this. This was still better. And then websites evolved to this. And finally, in the modern era, we see websites like this. This is a good example of how a website should look like. Logo, menu, a call to action, your most important message like this as a slider or a normal section. And there are times when I see sites that the owners have built themselves using free templates or null themes. Another problem that I see is when websites have not been updated for ages. I see old dates in blog and footer. For example, let's take a look at this website, Your Digital Resource. It claims to be a full service digital marketing agency, but if you look at the bottom, you will see that dates are old. So this makes me feel that since 2021 they have not been working, or maybe the business is closed. And sometimes I see that logo is random, blur and horrible, meaning it's built using free software. Or the website colors don't match the logo colors. Let's take a look at some of the examples. So this example talks about 35 of the worst logo designs ever created. You can see what a bad logo looks like. I also found this website while I was researching this video. You can see that the site has transparent header. This is bad because if I scroll down, you will see that the text is overlapping. Another problem is, look at this. This heading does not have proper line height. Same here. Problems like this should not exist. So what's the solution? I would suggest that get your website checked by our team and rebuild your website if needed. In today's day and age, the cost of building a website is very low. It's around 500 to 700, and you should redesign your website every 5 years anyways, because the trends change. PHP updates also sometimes force redesign. And get a new logo built if needed. It will give you the confidence in your site, and customers will also have the confidence to work with you. And the reason why I don't recommend free theme is that they are often not optimized for SEO and speed, and null themes are very dangerous to the security of your website, so stay away from them. Reason number 2 is boring website. We have all seen such sites. When you visit the website, you just can't figure out what the website is about. Let's take a look at this example. It's a website of a well-known company, Accenture. Let's suppose you land on it for the first time. You just can't figure out what it is about. Reinvent what your business could be. Okay, it's about business. Let there be change. Okay, it's asking for change. A life-centric approach to growth. I don't know what it means. Accenture pulse of change. Okay, it's again asking for change. Refocus your talent lens. Okay, maybe it's about hiring someone. Positive energy in the metaverse. Never seen such thing. 5 practices to thrive on cloud continuum. Okay. AI for everyone. Okay, maybe it's about chat GPT or something. 360 value. Every day we embrace change, create value for all stakeholders. Okay, not sure what it's talking about. Again, AI. Okay, global recognition. Here I at least know that it's a world famous company. Okay, again I can't read this. I have to keep my mouse out. Never heard about this index. It's showing me that they care for culture. Very good. Again, no mention of what they are doing, what problems they are solving. Again, let there be change, and this is very bad design. So this is a problem in some sites, and I also see sites where they only talk about the visionary founder and their company. It becomes boring. I am sure other visitors also feel the same. Let's take a look at this example. It's a law website. Okay, other than the law here I can't see anything. Finally, software and services for the intersection of businesses and law. Okay, so they are providing software solutions for lawyers. Okay, that makes sense. Nothing here. There should be images here from what I see. No images. Again I scroll down. Here I see some content and contact page again. Okay, if I go to about us and message from the founder, this is a long message from the founder, and I'm sure no one wants to read this. So this is a bad example. It should be improved. Then there are sites with small fonts, text heavy pages and random stock images. I am using an extreme example. You can just see from the feel of the site that either it's made this way or it is a very old website. It's a very bad example. And I have seen this with mostly lawyer and doctor sites that they use very technical industry specific jargons where it makes the visitor feel dumb, because if someone is visiting a doctor website, maybe he is a patient, maybe he is a client of the lawyer, so only another lawyer or doctor would understand that site, not normal people. For example, this is a website, One Cell Mediclinic. I just can't figure out what it is about. Then I come down and see here, become younger tomorrow, the beginning of innovative treatment. Okay, maybe it is about anti-aging. Yes, it is stem cell therapy. I click here, nothing comes up. Okay, the text finally appeared. Again, bad design. Skin boosters. I see points but no content. Okay, content has shown up now. Okay, there is one doctor and one nurse. So take a look at their profile. The profile is, I don't know what it is about. So try to make the website visitor friendly, because people visiting your site may not have the technical know-how. Finally, site does not have quality content or grammatical errors. Nowadays people are also using ChatGPT to write content on their website. This is a final example. This is a law firm. They have separate blog page, but you will notice that it is another website altogether. And on their blog page, if I click on the single blog, first of all it does not have any image, then there should be spaces in between, and I am sure visitors also feel the same. So what's the solution? In your headlines and content, always talk about the problems that your customers are facing and how you can solve them. For example, in this blog page there should have been a problem statement or solution statement. Florida court discusses evidence establishing illegal structuring. If I am a visitor, client of this firm, how does it benefit me? I am not sure. And get your website checked with our team. We know coding and also the marketing thought process behind every page and section. And in your about page, always give clarity of why you are doing what you are doing and why you aim for excellence. Now consider this, we have all opened websites where we just could not find what we were looking for and we moved to another website. Let's take this example. My keyword is places to visit in Rajasthan stay. Okay, so I am looking for places to visit, but the Google is showing me all the hotels in the world. So again you can see here, 640 places to stay in Rajasthan, 10 best hotels to stay in Rajasthan, 10 exclusive stays in Rajasthan. But I am looking for 67 places to visit in Rajasthan. So these sites are not providing the content that I want to read. Okay, so this is an example where you need to figure out what your customers are looking for. Then some sites don't have search bar option and the navigation also does not work properly. So my point is, no one wants to figure out a complex website. So for example, let's look at this Costa Law website. They don't have any search option and the site is very small. So how will someone find out that this lawyer is the ideal lawyer for himself? So mostly small content, no search bar, and even the blogs are just links to other websites. So Google won't be ranking this website for these keywords. It will be ranking this website instead. So this is a mistake that should not be made. Then recently I have read bot written articles where headline is promising one thing but the content is different. Take a look at this example. Free article land. So this website has a lot of different categories where it's sourcing content from ChatGPT. So will you ever trust this content? For example, it's showing how to find the right pediatric therapist for your child. So will you ever trust this content? I would not. And I also get surprised sometimes when I see sites with no contact page. Some business sites don't even mention their physical address and phone number. Live chat also does not work. So how will the customer contact them? I am not sure. Take a look at this example. It's about renting cars. Okay. So in menu there is no contact page. All they do is list cities, their services, how this company does its business. On the actual page, nothing about how I can contact them. No live chat. In footer also, no contact. So how will customers contact this? Not sure. So what's the solution? Get your website checked with our team. We can think and act like your customer to show you the gaps in your website. And other than contact info, always show them your social media profiles also. If social media presence is low, just add 5-10 posts there initially. And in successful sites, I usually see YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn profiles. So these 5 you should have according to your industry. So reason number 4 is your website looks like your competitors. So there are times when I work with digital agencies and some of their client sites look the same, and the internet is so vast that some clients get surprised when we perform duplicate content checks for them. For example, let's take a look at this website Buffer. So if Buffer comes to me and says that check if my website is being copied or not, so I'll just copy the content, go to Google, start quotations and enter this. Only one of them is copy pasting the content and site is also not safe. But if I just do this, you can see Buffer is, of course, they have the original content. Then you can see other sites exactly copy pasting the same line. Some known, some unknown sites. And some sites even copy paste the default lorem ipsum text. You will be very surprised with this example. So let's take a look at this example. On their portfolio, they have listed a lot of designs that they have built. Let's take a look at this example. So it's about an advocate. Okay, so I open the website and I can see here that this website has default testimonials. So no one can trust these testimonials because names are random. These are stock images. Text is lorem ipsum. This is default text, dummy text. Okay, so no one will trust this website ever. And you can see about us. It is also lorem ipsum, default text. No one cares about. The website design company did not even look at this website, and I can see from here Facebook, Twitter, no links there. These pages don't even exist. So if I Google this text here, same concept, I can see that they copied the design from here, Myco law firm. So this is a radius theme demo for WordPress, Myco. Okay, so take a look at this website. Just change some content and even copy pasted the default lorem ipsum text. Always check your website if you have such issues. So what's the solution? So if your website looks like your competitors, you are finished. You will look copy pasted and it will be very hard to build trust with your customers. For example, if we take a look at BBC and CNN, almost same design. And it's not just even BBC and CNN. All news websites in the world are same. So no way to build customer, they all look same. And one thing I do advise is that you should keep your eyes on your competitors and see what they are doing new, but don't blatantly copy them and never let them copy you. Reason number 5 is broken mobile design. Almost 8 billion people have mobiles today, and still there are sites where I see broken site design in mobile. Let's take a look at this example. This is how it opens in desktop, very bad. And this is how it opens in mobile. You can see. And responsive website design is the minimum requirement of any website today. In WordPress, basically all top selling themes have responsive website designs. Some people still use AMP pages for their mobile site. Let me tell you this, AMP is a failed project of Google. Since 2017, thousands of site owners have approached us to turn off AMP properly in their websites and will never use it again. So what is AMP? Let's take a look at this demo. So no matter how your website looks on desktop, in mobile it will look something like this. This is what AMP does to your website. So not at all inspiring and professional. So what's the solution? My suggestion is to unlock your mobile right now and check how well your website is performing in mobile. Does it open with a broken design? Are you able to click on the links and pages? Sometimes fonts are small and two links are very near. So if you click on the one link, another one gets clicked. That is a big challenge. Does the navigation menu work? Are fonts big enough to read? And if you are facing challenges with mobile design, get in touch with our team. We will help you in fixing these issues. We still have 8 more problems to discuss, but the video is getting longer. So I would like to invite you to our newsletter. There you will find the PDF of this document and also the full video which you can refer back from time to time. And share this video with other website owners who can audit their website and fix these issues. See you in my next video.